What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today we're going to be making some cube steak sandwiches. See, you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, a cube steak sandwich? What the hell are you talking about, man? Well, it's better to show than to tell, so let's get the show on the damn road, would you? Buckle up. We're going. That's right, buddy. A cube steak sandwich. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what in the hell is a cube steak? Well, when you look at the package, it kind of looks like some old ground beef or something like that. But let me tell you, buddy, it's far from it. What it is a top sirloin steak that's been tenderized until it's just, oh, so good. It's beautiful, man. That cube steak, I'm not talking about Ice Cube either, even though he is the man. So, you take your cube steak, and you know, cube steaks, it is a little pricey. I was lucky today that this was donated to me. You know what? My work gave me a box full of meat. This cube steak was in there, and I'm telling you what, I bet it about brought me to tears. You want to know how to make a fat boy cry? That's how you do it. Like I was in there listening to Christopher Cross. Now, get your cube steak here. Go ahead and heat your pan up. Turn it on high, just like me and the old Afro man out there. And we're going to put that cube steak down in the pan. Now, we need to season that damn thing, don't we? Because we want that sweet meat. So, I want you to go ahead and take some salt, a little bit of that black pepper too, of course, we gotta have it. And then, you know what I've been using lately, what I'm loving, that Cavender's Greek seasoning. It's just so damn good, makes everything taste lovely. So, put that in there, and you will flip it around and do the same seasoning method to the other side. Now, you're gonna notice that this is gonna it's gonna drain some fat off, it's gonna drain some goodness. It's got a nice liquid down in there. You know, you can take that liquid and put some flour in there, make a roux, and have a little gravy there, sir. But that's for another time, another episode. We ain't got time for that shit. We gotta go. So, once you get your cube steak done, won't take you very long, buddy. And it already looks so good, I want to gobble it up like Miss Pac-Man. You know, the way Miss Pac-Man gobbles, I might want to go on a date with her, if you know what I'm talking about. So, what should be gobbling is what I'm talking about. Now, get your cube steak done. We need some bread to make our sandwich, buddy. So, today I went ahead and got some garlic herb topped Italian bread there, sir, because it's $1.79. Damn, it's cheaper than just getting a pack of buns or something. It's got some good flavor. So go ahead and cut that shit open. Get it right, buddy, get it right. And now we're ready to put that sandwich together and get it all done so nicely. So go ahead and open that up, put your bed of lettuce down on there, and say good night, little buddy. So we'll put you to sleep after this. You're gonna be in there snoozing, boy. Now, put your lettuce down on there. I use quite a bit today just because it's quite a bit of sandwich, and I'm quite a bit of man. So, put your lettuce on there. Now, put your cube steak. Next thing I did is went ahead and put some pepperoncinis, those banana peppers. Just get a little sweet, spicy kick. You can use pickles. You can put onions on there. You can put tomatoes. You can dress this thing up however you want to. It's your little baby. Get it ready for school. Now, I put the banana peppers on there because, you know me, I ain't got time to cut all the other vegetables and stuff, and I ain't got it, and I ain't, you know, whatever. So, then, as I usually do on anything that I do, I'm going to need some sauce because the sauce is the boss. Now, today, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I see barbecue, but I don't see that sweet baby Ray's that you be getting. Well, it's because I had this Buffalo Wild Wing honey barbecue in the damn house. Might as well use it. So, a Christmas gift, you see. Now, put that barbecue sauce on there, put the top of that thing on the top of that thing, and we ready to go, buddy. We ready for a big, beautiful sight. We're going to lock eyes with it and stare at it and just go, and then we're going to have a big, beautiful bite. And it's all going to be done tonight. So, let's do that. I'll see you back. Let's go. Alright, baby, the time has come. The cube steak sandwich is done. I had to think about it for a minute because it was looking so good I lost my mind. Now, I'm going to have the first bite for you know who. It's going to be me. I'm going to spoil the surprise. Damn, that's a big sandwich. Where do I begin? nice and warm, man. That good seasoned tender steak, and it is so tender. With the lettuce, pepperoni, vegetables kind of give it that clean feel. In contrast to the barbecue sauce, the savory meat, and that Italian herb, just tying it all together, making it look good. So, I want to thank y'all for coming and having a good look at me and being good looking while you do it. Watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. You know the deal. I've got to go because the sandwich is calling my name. So, I'll see you next time, buddy. Ooh.